We might have to consider other sleeping arrangements.
Because I'm literally really scared that something's gonna fall on us.
We found a suitable spot. We're gonna have to move some logs, which you can see behind me. But yeah, this is nice. It's open. Very nice. You like it, Boogie?
Mm-hmm.
Lots of firewood. We won't have to look hard at all.
See you later. We are going to set up the stove.
How is that supposed to work? That was close. Should have put this in there first. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know how much we need. All night long.
That's better.
This is how normal people camping stack their wood.
There you go.
Thank you, Boogie. Oh,
You're right.
look at the goodness. Like I say, we're not fancy, but it took a long time
For that water to boil.
for to set this little bit of dirt on it. It'd be all right. Cheers, Boogie.
Cheers.
Yeah, we figured it would take a while to set up, and the wind has been brutal. But it makes it fun, you know. Boogie's had ramen, but she's never had cup o noodles.
It's hot.
This not good to eat all the time because they're really high in sodium, but and a fork would be better than a spoon. We're gonna finish first dinner, and then we're gonna go get a whole bunch of wood and probably explore a little bit. I think I'm kind of yelling because of how loud the wind is.
Kind of.
It is super windy out, and Boogie decided to go back and set up her bed. So I'm gonna try to get a bunch of firewood for us real quick. Woo. Yeah, it's very windy. It's a hole. Back. That's when we put in at bedtime. It should be.
I think that's enough.
Hopefully that'll be enough for the evening. I'll damp it way down when we go to bed. Ew, Bobby. It's too big. pretty toasty in here.
Yeah. A lot warmer than it is outside.
We had to close her in. Temperature dropped fast.
So outside.
It's dinner time. It's like 7 o'clock. We got here at like 2. It was like 40 degrees. It's close to 20 right now.
I think it'll be good for a while.
We're gonna need more wood still, but it's decent in here. It's not. It's nice, honestly. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this wind. It's fine. We'll deal with it. We're gonna make our favorite meal.
And it's not chili and cornbread.
No, not this time.
It's very chili and cornbread. Chili and cornbread is very good, but this dehydrated meal is good too.
10 to 15 miles per hour, people. It's not what we have right now.
Not even close.
There are trees falling all around us. Fortunately for us, we're next, like right next to a huge tree that is healthy. There's no chance it's gonna fall. But holy moly. If it gets too bad, we'll just go sleep in the truck tonight, which would be very cold.
Yeah.
So we don't want to have to do that. But we're gonna get some dinner going. Some festivities. I gotta still put my bed together. Boogie's set. I'm not yet. Kind of digging this tent though. We don't have any condensation issues yet, and I thought this heater would like run us out of here. I mean, the temperature did drop fast, like real fast. I'll have to go check my bag and see what the actual temperature is right now, but holy cow. We're doing it though. We're living. That's what living's all about. Wish I had a better beer to drink. Cheers. Sometimes it's just really hard to record things. We decided to stick Alyssa's sleep pad in her sleeping bag with her, so that way she's not like outside the tent, which has happened before. Hopefully you can hear me with the wind. Oh, it's boiling. We're gonna eat some food.
Yeah.
And then
Dad, I'm stuck. Can you unzip me, please? Dad, I can't. Oh, I did it. There's a
You'll be
zipper
fine.
on the inside.
Oh.
Not eat. That means not edible. Dad, this is not safe.
That was over my head.
I
That
know.
would have been terrible.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
Wait.
goodness.
Wait.
What?
That was like only like 8 ounces. Okay. Trust you.
Trust me, please. That's important. You should trust your daughter.
It's way too much.
It's just gonna be watery, okay? It's not my fault. How
Literally
am I
would
supposed-
only be your fault.
No, it's not. It's the water's fault. Ow! It's, it's the one that poured itself. So, it's not my fault.
Yeah.
No. He tried to escape.
What do you think? You did a good job. That was called a megabyte. On the docket for tonight is wind. lots of wind and stepbrothers. Boogie's never seen it before. We might have to consider other sleeping arrangements. I ain't trying to get squished by no tree. Not today. Not today. Or tomorrow. I mean, it's very warm in here. The tent is fine. It's not the tent or our wood supply. I just really don't want to. I don't want to wake up and be like, I'm gonna climb my way out of trees. This. Look at this. It's so cozy in here, though. Well, it's so cozy. You can still see our breath. I think it dropped down into the teens. We went from like 45, 50 degrees to maybe 15? Like 3 or 4 hours? We put, I probably already said this. I already did. Yes, like I said, we're not far from the truck. So we have things like an iPad and the opportunity to go back to the truck if we feel like we're going to get squished. You know, one thing I was really worried about is this heater or this stove putting us out of the tent. No. Not even remotely close. Well, you're in a 0-degree bag right now, wearing a jacket on a Thermarest Neo Air X-Therm. So I would say no. That's what it's all about right here. Yeah, it seems Step Brothers might have to wait a couple more minutes. We're gonna have to call this one. Not because of the cold. It is cold, but they've changed the weather report to like gale winds. I don't know what that means. I guess it's like really, really fast winds. I don't know. But we're surrounded by trees right now. It's not where you want to be in a windstorm, which wasn't supposed to happen. But we'll make the best out of this situation. We'll get our sleep stuff and we'll take it down. We're not far, we're like half a mile from the truck, so that's the safest, best thing to do. Yeah, we'll just use this wood next time. That's what we'll do. All right? Weather it out in the truck where it's safe.
I want to because I'm literally really scared that something's gonna fall on us.
Can you see where you're going? We decided to call it might be cold in the truck, but we won't get squished. It's not that far away. Video quality is probably not very good. It's so cold. It's so cold. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. We'll still make the best out of this one. Guaranteed. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock a.m. It was windy last night and cold. Cold, I think down the mountain it was like 18, 19 degrees, so I don't know what it is up here. It snowed a little bit.
Yeah.
I videoed some of that quickly because it was cold. We used the buddy heater sparingly. Used it for a little bit when we got in here, and then I turned it back on this morning. Windows are thawing out now. They were frozen. But we survived. See, we got these 0-degree bags. And then I got this, like, I don't know, cheap 40-degree bag. So I unzipped this and kind of put it over both of us. I'm guessing it probably got down to 15, 14 degrees last night, but I didn't get out and check. That's just my guess from the valley to here. And these are not like expensive 0-degree bags either. I mean, they're okay, but they're not like, you know, North Face or anything. We were gonna cook breakfast.
No.
No. It's still super windy and cold out there.
We're fine.
And it's early, so if we pack up and get out of here in time, then we'll be able to go to Chick-fil-A or something.
And get breakfast because it's Saturday today. Because we left yesterday on Friday.
Mm-hmm.
So every time we left on Saturday to go camping, I would always be so mad because I would always ask, can we get Chick-fil-A in the morning?
Mm-hmm.
And you would always be like, no, it's Sunday, and I would be so mad. I love Chick-fil-A.
Well, I've got to get out of here and go tear down the other camp.
It was a good campsite. There's nothing wrong with it. But the wind just...
I'll honestly be kind of surprised if the tent's still up.
Yeah. That's what I was going to say that a minute ago. It would be surprising if there wasn't tree limbs on it.
We'll find out here soon enough.
Mm-hmm. And and you guys will find out with us.
Mm-hmm.
So don't be like...
We're going to get suited up. Get out of here. The sun's starting to come up. See it? Maybe.
I'm not touching that. It's probably freezing.
Boogie decided to stay in the truck and get stuff in the truck taken care of. I'm surprised everything's intact here. We added a couple supports. Of course, we had to support the stovepipe because of how windy it was. We set the tent up so that the back would be facing the worst of the wind. This thing has lots of tie outs, but I guess it needs them all, every single one. I said we were going to use trekking poles. Only problem is our trekking poles are at my dad's cabin. And that's a good hour past here, so. Well, that was a learning experience for sure. For sure. We learned don't trust the weather report, because that was not 5 to 10 mile per hour winds. They changed it late, and I feel kind of bad because I didn't realize she was scared until it got late, or else we would have bailed earlier, came to the truck. I mean, it's perfectly safe where it is. Yeah, it was a lot of fun though, a lot of fun. We have a lot of extra wood left over for next time. Windy, cold, but overall it was a great time. Great time. And we're going to do it again soon. Thanks for checking us out, guys. Cheers, Boogie. Yours isn't even open.
Stop it.
What?
You're being weird.
I'm weird.